Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd South Lakes BMW, and here we have a 218i M Sport Gran Coupe, finished in Alpine White. It has 18-inch M double-spoke bicolour alloy wheels, and in the rear windows it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from harmful UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. As it's an M Sport car, it has the M Sport suspension, lowering the car by 10mm, and it has a more direct suspension setup for dynamic and sporty driving. It has a panoramic glass sunroof, perfect for filling the cabin with natural light, and when open, plenty of fresh air. It has a top speed of 134 miles per hour, and with 136 horsepower, it can get from 0 to 62 in 9.1 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the Black Trigon Cloth Sensatec upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 218i M Sport Gran Coupe, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd South Lakes BMW.